What's going on, everybody? It's Jordan here. I am still here at Tab in not technically Austin. It's going to be Round Rock at 2024, and I'm having a blast over here at Ikan. I'm here with Shaun. How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Absolutely. So we're having a great time learning about the cool things that you guys are doing over here, taking lighting to a whole new level in a way that a lot of people aren't even thinking about it, the way of PoE light. So tell us a little bit, for those people that might not know about PoE or might not really know anything about lighting in general, just give us an overview of what Ikan's doing.
Yeah, so these are PoE lights. They're power over Ethernet. They basically only take one cable to both send power and data over Ethernet. Now the data will be sent, that'll be DMX over IP, so it'll use either ArtNet or SACN. You can control either the brightness or the color temperature, and they come in different sizes and shapes. This one right here is a 50 watt. This one is a 85 watt and 65 watt. If you see this one, Fresnel back here. Yep.
That's amazing. So it sounds like this is like a really versatile type of solution. It's not just a plug it in, hope that it works. It sounds like you guys have put a lot of thought into not only the functionality of it, but also control. So tell me a little bit about how you guys would go about controlling them over this one lead.
Well, yeah, you have your software on your computer that you have everything hooked into the same Netgear switch or whatever PoE switch you're using, and you just use we have our own software that you can use to control the brightness and the color temperature in different channels, just like you would on a physical switch or a board. So this one right here specifically is our more popular one. This one is a low profile one, so you can hang this one up in like a drop ceiling, really easy, really clean installation. These are like really good for clean installations. You don't have like a lot of the extra cabling from power and DMX daisy chaining, so it's all just one cable to one light, and that's it.
That's awesome. I think one other thing that has been interesting that I've been seeing you guys talk about is the fact that in hardware situations where it's like you might not be able to run power, like actual power lines, you may not be able to get an outlet in the ceiling. Especially in the sort of modular ceilings and things like that, you may not have the capability to do that. The building codes won't allow you to do that. But with PoE, running PoE over Ethernet, it's like that has nothing to do with anything. It's just I'm just running data at that point. But then you're able to drop down lights wherever you want to. So as customers want to be able to do that, as integrators want to be able to say that, it's like we want to have that flexibility for our clients to be able to say, yeah, we can drop a light. It's like, oh, well, do I have to run power? Nope, it's already there. And it's like, and one cable for control and for power, that you guys are taking it to a whole new level with that.
Yeah, definitely.
That's awesome. So is it just are these the main ones, or are there additional ones to the line?
These are the first three that we've released. We're looking into doing also a RGB version, and we got perhaps an ellipsoidal as well. So we have different ones on the horizon, but these are the first three that we're offering right now.
Do you have any idea when the RGB one is coming out?
Probably Q1, Q2 next year.
Okay. Yeah. I'm going to be excited for that one because we're already utilizing some of these in our studio. I can't wait to get my hands on pretty much everything you guys do. Yeah. Shaun, thank you so much. This is incredible. So if you want to have any of this stuff in your studio or in your next workflow, contact your JB&A representative. We'd be happy to assist. I'm Jordan, still at Tab. I'll catch you on the next one.